Hello my friends and welcome to today's video. We are doing the YOLO in today's Rainbow series part 2. Today's look, it's inspired by someone. I'm gonna do my version of a recreation of this look. Each video, each look in this color series is based off an artist who I am inspired by full-heartedly. And if you guys have any other creators that you're like, Maddie, you need to see these, please send them to me or at me in any other posts on Instagram at SassieBeauty, same as spelled here, or on TikTok. Again, same as it's spelled here, SassieBeauty. This is the look that I am inspired by today. It's by the Instagram Harbsy. Her name is Sarah. That's just the name of her Instagram. I am obsessed with her feed. We're gonna attempt to do that today for today's yellow look. Couldn't tell. Yellow. I don't think I have an orange look in this series, but I do have an orange look already up on my channel. It's where I attempted Nikki Tutorials challenge redo. I did my makeup of all brands with the letter M. So if you guys want an orange look, check out that video. Without further ado, let's jump on into the video. I'm gonna put music over this. did this eye off camera, that way I could charge my camera battery. Had dinner, I guess, but I'm obsessed with how this came out. I will have Sarah's Instagram linked down below. That way you guys can go follow her. I love this look. It just highlighter, lashes, and lips make the world of a difference. I haven't done makeup in a while, and so this feels amazing. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up or both. If you have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below or at me on my social media, which is all under SassieBeauty YT. See what's spelled here on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Go follow me. And with all that being said, please stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.